Recording. Okay, we're going to do the Super Bowl 1-2 punch. We're going to do a short version, then we're going to let Mark take over because he's pretty good. This goes like this. If you ever been down to Louisiana, I learned this one for Leslie because I couldn't think of a song, so the guy's name's Leslie West. He's one of the best ever. Mississippi Queen, do you know what I mean? Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything, all the way from Vicksburg down Louisiana way, hey, hey. She's a Cajun woman. I almost got hit by a bus. Mississippi Queen, do you know what I mean? A Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything, all the way from Vicksburg down Louisiana way, hey, hey. Leslie West. Now there's part one, and then you get where there is a house in New Orleans. They call it the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. Oh God, I know I am one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed and my father was a gambler way down old New Orleans. I got kind of lost it. That happens every time. You saw it live on my YouTube channel, dude. That is a call from the Lord Jesus himself to tell me to get out of here and stop. Yikes.